everyone, this is Elijah, and this Ethanol Hackathon. I made a platform where schools are registered, and they are registered here by the admin, and the users or students come here to their dashboard and actually pay the tuition to the registered school. All the registered schools are listed here. They are listed here, you can see, and actually this data here is coming from off-chain. It is stored off-chain, so we collect their names during registration and onboarding, and their school wallet addresses, and the tuition and everything. They are set by the school itself. So when the school is registered, it comes to its dashboard here and actually enters the tuition and the beginning of term date and the end of term date, and it triggers it, and everything starts working seamlessly. That's when the payers, actually the students, will be able to pay. And the reason why you're seeing no data here is because this is not a school, this is actually a payer, and actually the admin. So the admin, after registering the school here, after registering like this school here, but actually this is a registered school, but if it was not registered, the admin would come here and enter the name, and they say web3 school, and here the wallet address. He enters the wallet address, and then he adds the school, and actually that school is already added, so no need to re-add it again. So after adding the school, the client actually comes here to his dashboard and deposits some Afroblocks token or AFB token. And let's say he wanna deposit like 3 AFB tokens. They will be added here, and and actually this one had already deposited something, so he'll come here and trigger deposit. And here we could actually, the MetaMask is still loading, and actually it's taking too long to load, but here we confirm the deposit. Here we are actually approving the spender. We are approving this site to spend, the smart contract to spend our tokens, and here we have to approve, and then we continue to confirm this method client deposit. We confirm here, and you see here the balance has been increased, and after we shall have to come here as a school, a registered school, and actually enter the tuition of this term. Let's say this term the students will be paying 1 AFB token, and the term will begin maybe this date today, and it will end maybe this next month or 30th of next month of November, and then we go ahead and trigger that. And actually this is failing, it was failing because I was not on the right network, and I have reconnected to base Apolia, and yeah, we are triggering it now. And you see the tuition is 1 FB, the beginning of term you see, and the end of term is 30th of November. Now we continue and confirm. We continue here and confirm this, and yeah, it has been the academic term has been updated, and the transaction has been confirmed here. And now you see the tuition is 1 FB, and here now let's go back to the student and we pay the school fees, so that we see the balance of the school here increasing. And yeah, we shall take this address of the school and come here as a client. We do pay tuition. The amount we shall pay 1 AFB, and the wallet address is this, and the student name, let's say the student name is Web3 Helicom, and student level is maybe senior 3 B. I will continue to trigger it. As we wait for MetaMask to load. And yeah, MetaMask has loaded it, and we continue and confirm the transaction. And yeah, as you see here, it's loading, it's paying here, and yeah, the transaction has actually, yeah, the tuition has been paid successfully. And yeah, so here when we come back to the school, to the school dashboard here, we shall be able to see that the balance has increased. And yeah, and now the client will actually be able to come here and open the receipt and actually download the receipt. It's in the PDF format, and here you see it. Yeah, here you see it. You see the address, the payer, the school name, and the class. Everything is here. If the client didn't clear school fees, it says he's not cleared. Actually, if he pays another time and the payments reach the school tuition, it will show cleared here, the receipt. And now that's pretty much it, and that's what I had for Ethnile, and actually the payments which have been done, it will actually have to be added here, and it's here, it's the last transaction, and you see it's here. When you click on that transaction hash, it will take you to the base scan as a polia, and you see its status here. That's typically what I had for this Ethnile hackathon, and yeah.